Hi everyone, welcome back to another interesting video on daily market analysis and stock updates. In this video, we will be discussing about three major important updates we have in the market. Number 1, RBI MPC meeting. Number 2, NSE IPO confirmation. And number 3, Vedanta's debt securities plan. We will discuss the complete details in this video. And before going to that, like this video and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. Now moving on to the first update we have regarding RBI, the Reserve Bank of India's MPC meeting. The RBI's Monetary Policy Committee has maintained the repo rate at 6.5% for the 7th consecutive time, indicating a stance of withdrawal of accommodation. This decision comes amidst an economy that continues to grow at an accelerated pace, supported by fixed investments and an improving global environment. The second advance estimates project a real GDP growth of 7.6% for 2023 and 24, marking the third consecutive successive year of 7% or higher growth. Rural development in demand is strengthening. Employment conditions in the informal sector are improving, and inflationary pressures are moderating. These factors, along with sustained momentum in the manufacturing and services sector, are expected to boost private consumption. However, RBI governor highlighted some concerns, particularly regarding geopolitical tensions and disruptions in trade routes, which pose risks to the overall outlook. Taking these factors into consideration, the real GDP growth for the current financial year 2024 and 25 is projected at 7%. In another development, the RBI has announced new measures to enhance banking services. Users will soon be able to deposit cash using UPI at ATMs, expanding on the previous option of cardless cash withdrawal. This move aims to improve customer convenience and reduce the cash handling load on bank branches. Additionally, the RBI has allowed UPI access for prepaid payment instruments via third-party applications, providing more flexibility to users. Moreover, the RBI proposes the distribution of CBDCs through non-bank payment system operators to enhance access and expand choices available to users. CBDC pilots are underway, and the aim is to make CBDC retail accessible to a broader segment of users. Finally, the RBI is developing a mobile application for the Retail Direct portal, enabling investors to buy and sell instruments on the go. Now, before moving on to the second update, like this video and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you will get our videos directly into your phone. Now, moving on to the second update we have from NSE. In recent news, the National Stock Exchange of India, the world's largest derivative exchange in terms of volume, is gearing up for its long-awaited initial public offering, that is IPO. CEO Ashish Chauhan mentioned that while NSE is ready to file the draft red herring prospect, that is DRHP, for the IPO, it awaits approval from the market regulator SEBI. The anticipation of NSE's IPO stems from its earlier attempt in 2016, which was halted due to the co-location controversy. At that time, NSE aimed to raise approximately 10,000 crore rupees through the IPO, with existing shareholders expected to dilute a 23% stake in the exchange. Ashish Chauhan, who successfully handled the listing of BSE, took over as MD and CEO of NSE in July 2022. Under his leadership, NSE posted a consolidated net profit of 1,975 crores in the December quarter of financial 24, marking an 8% year-on-year increase. The consolidated revenue from operations also witnessed a significant rise, reaching 3,517 crore rupees, up by 25%. Despite challenges, NSE's revenue from operations was supported by various revenue streams including trading revenue, data center and connectivity charges, clearing services, listing services, index services and data services. On a standalone basis, NSE reported a total operating income of 3,170 crore rupees for Q3 of financial 24. Showing a growth of 21% year-on-year. Operating EBITDA margin stood at 52% for quarter 3 of financial year 24, compared to 73% in the corresponding quarter last year. Trading volumes also saw notable growth, with cash markets recording an average daily traded volume of 80,512 crore rupees. Equity futures reaching 1,31,010 crore rupees. and equity options, that is ADTVs, standing at 56,707 crore rupees for Q3 of financial year 24. As NSE awaits SEBI's approval for its IPO filing, the anticipation for its listing continues to build up, marking a significant milestone in the Indian financial market. Now, before going on to the third update, like this video and also subscribe to our channel. Now, moving on to the third update we have from Vedanta. Vedanta, the Anil Agarwal-led mining conglomerate, is making headlines once again as it plans to raise 2,500 crore rupees through debt securities. In a recent exchange filing, Vedanta announced its intention to raise funds through private placement of senior, secured and listed non-convertible debentures. Following the announcement, Vedanta shares surged by 4.27%, hitting a one-year high on the BSE. The company, however, did not disclose the specific utilization of the funds, leaving investors curious about its allocation. This move comes after Vedanta raised 3,400 crore through non-convertible debentures in December 2023, adding to its existing debt, which is stood at 62,493 crore rupees as of Q3 financial year 24. Meanwhile, in its production release for the fourth quarter ending March 31st, 2024, Vedanta showcased robust operational performance. Alumina production at Lanjigarh refinery increased by 18% year-on-year, while cast metal aluminum production saw a 4% rise. However, zinc production experienced a decline of 20% quarter-on-quarter and 47% year-on-year, while oil production also witnessed a decrease. On the bright side, saleable ore production surged by 13% year-on-year and power sales remained relatively stable despite a minor decline. Despite operational success, Vedanta reported a 42.2% drop in profit for the October-December quarter compared to the previous year. As Vedanta continues its journey in the mining sector, investors eagerly await further developments regarding the utilization of the raised funds. That's all we have for today. If you really like the efforts we put in this video, give a like and also hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that our videos will direct give notification into your mobile. Stay tuned until our next video tomorrow. Thanks for watching.